What a beautiful night.
I mean, look at. Can't beat this.
Honestly, this is where it's at, guys, right here. Oh, what is going on, guys? Ah, what a beautiful day. How you feeling, man? You good?
Doing pretty good. Pretty good. Sun's out, no clouds.
Sun's out. We made it to the dunes, Labor Day weekend, and we're feeling good. So, weather's perfect. I mean, it's not even really any clouds in sight. You guys saw the other videos. You saw we were on the four-wheelers. That was last year, actually, this exact time. So, we're about to just make a good day. So, let's go ahead and pull out the buggy here.
Oh, don't run rocket.
All right, guys, so we're about to pull this thing off. Just get to ripping. All right, guys, we are ready to go.
Do it.
Woo! This is our boy Zach. It's our boy Zach right here. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
You ready? Yeah, man. So if you guys saw in the last video, he was ripping with us on the St. Helen / Leota, or Leota to St. Helen trail. So he's got the bad boy RZR Turbo S. Is that live valve? Oh yeah, he's got all the stuff. Yeah, he's good. His suspension's plushy. All right, Nick's somewhere around here, so you'll see both of them. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and get her ripping. Guys, we are entering the park. If you guys have not been here before, we are at, once again, Silver Lake Sand Dunes. We are in Mears, Michigan, or Hart, Michigan, one of the two. I can't remember, but awesome place. This is the closest thing to Glamis as you're gonna get in Michigan. If you guys are local, this is a cool place to come. It's west side of Michigan, looking at Lake Michigan. And it's right south of Bloodington, if you guys are, familiar with the area. So yeah, guys, we're just hope to have a good time.
Time to rip.
Test hill. Let's go. we go, top of Test Hill. Hey, so we got tours over here. We got this guy. He wanted his son to ride on the dunes for the first time. So yeah, he is gonna have a blast. Look at that. That's what it's all about, guys. The experience. Come check it out. Hey Zach, you he's doing, hey, yep, this young man right here. All right, guys, so we're about to keep ripping. Heck yeah.
I really do love that bright red.
Yeah, that's a beautiful unit, man. So we back here by Lake Michigan and found a little bunny hop over here. There it is. There it is. Hey, you gotta find those little jumps. Gotta find them. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do. You gonna get out, she gonna get out, is Zach gonna get out? Nick's gonna get out. We're gonna do 1v1 and then we'll do a final showdown. Thanks, yeah.
Just kidding, got it.
I just want to go for one lap.
Oh no, you're good, man. Thank you. Yeah. I want to get as light as I can. Yeah, we'll go with them. Yep, we'll go with them. There you go. That's what we come here for. F9, baby. Look at that. Heck yeah, man. That's what you come here to see right there. All right, we are ripping here. We just met a cool set of people here. What's up, guys?
Hey. How we doing?
Hey, they drove here from where?
Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. Was that 6 hours? Woo! All right. They said it is worth coming. All right, guys.
It's our second time back. 6 hours.
6 hours. Heck yeah, we just raced.
We'll put on about 100 miles a day on it.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. Well, hey, good ride with you.
Yeah,
you guys enjoy. Drive safe, okay? All right, guys.
What's up, man?
Oh, what a beautiful night.
I mean, look at Can't beat this.
Honestly, this is where it's at, guys. Right here. This is where it's at. Right here. This is what it's all about. Just a little dusk ride. Silver Lake sand dunes. We are out here. Feeling good?
Feeling great.
Feeling good.
Great.
Feeling good. Got all the units here. All right. So a couple things from the last time. Since we've been ripping all day, I don't know if I talked about this, but we got the Fox tune, and yeah, we went ahead and just went and got a I went ahead and just got a half windshield because the full one just wasn't cutting it for the warm weather. So got that, but the machine's looking good. She is dialed. Fox tune, got the Evo clutch weights for the tires, the 32-inch tires. So we are doing good, guys. But just look at this view. So I'm feeling good. We're gonna get a nice ride. Oh snap! Look at this guy here. Okay.
Got a lot of crazy rides out here.
Heck yeah. You feeling good?
Feeling great.
All right, man.
A couple more rips down Test Hill, I'll feel even better.
Oh, okay. You all right back there?
How you hanging?
He doing something he shouldn't be doing. All right.
You got that guy right there. Look.
Oh, just wheeling it. Okay.
Wheelie.
Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. There you go. Right there. That's what we're talking about. No doors on the Jetta. All right. I'd love to just see somebody go over. I just want to see somebody skip this. Just skip this water. Heck yeah. All right. So yeah, we're gonna keep ripping.
Everybody's ripping. You got a beautiful sunset over here. It's like a perfect holiday weekend.
Holiday weekend, Labor Day. We are feeling good, guys. All right, so let's go. Well, guys, there you have it. Fun on the dunes. Had a good time. Did you have a good time, man?
Had a great time.
Hey, good time. If you guys haven't been, check it out. Mears, Michigan, Hart, Michigan. Third time we've been here, but we highly recommend it. They got rentals. You can bring your family, you can bring your wife, you can bring the little ones, you know, and it's not too bad. So Labor Day weekend, good time. Just highly recommend it. So on to some next ventures here. We don't know where we're going next, but yeah, leave some comments. Let me know if you guys like it, if you guys have been here, or if you have never been here. Leave a comment, say, hey, how was it? And we'll tell you whatever. Okay, so just remember, guys, your next venture is just one step away.